Hi, my name is Terry. I'm from Crestmont Hyundai, and I'm going to show you how to use Apple CarPlay. First, it's very simple. You have a USB port down here in the bottom. You plug in your aux cord. Of course, you plug it in on the other side with your Apple phone, and then you hit Apple CarPlay. Okay, as you can see, all your functions come up on the screen. Your messages, your audiobooks, podcasts, music, maps, everything comes up. Now, if there's a text message that comes through, when the text message comes through, the system will actually tell you that there's a message, and then you can respond back by just talking your text. It'll tell you the text, and then you can talk back the text. So it keeps your hands on the wheel and keeps you focused on what you're doing as far as driving. You can also make phone calls from here using Siri. You can use Siri either through your phone or through the steering wheel, and you can push and say, "Call home." And if it's in your contacts, it will call home. So it's a very safe function to have while you're driving in your new Hyundai. This is a Hyundai Elantra that we're doing it in right now. Pretty much every Hyundai offers the Apple CarPlay. So especially if you go from the SEL on up. So as you can see, the functions are big, so you can't help but miss them. Can't help but see them. I'm sorry. So you also have your maps as well. And this comes right off your phone. So you know your data plan does apply if you go charges for your data plan. But let's face it, most data plans nowadays are unlimited, so you don't have to pay anything. So again, this is Terry Coggins, Crestmont Hyundai, showing you how to use Apple CarPlay. Also, there's Android CarPlay as well. You have to download the app for Android CarPlay, and it works just the same. So if you have any questions, call me. My number's 216-548-4065. Have a great day, everybody.